ratting about with Snotter.
Fuck
Oh
off.
my god, where
Through the
from?
fucking door, man.
Can you watch
Go upstairs, go
Luke?
upstairs.
Sorry?
Fucking cunt!
He's coming upstairs. Luke, with a shotgun.
I'm on the roof, mate. I ain't going anywhere near him.
I didn't wait for a fucking hour just to get a fucking shot down by one fucking shot. Fuck that.
It's the shotgun, man. Oh, fuck me, that's funny. Fucking cunt!
Second one's coming upstairs.
In your building.
Third one's coming upstairs. Yeah, my building.
You're
I
fucked,
can't
Luke.
see him from where I am.
Oh, you've crossed buildings. Oh, mate, they're gonna go to the roof and you're gonna get fucked.
I'll see you when I see you, Doug.
I just let them all past me.
Yeah, that
Absolute
on
legend.
the big roof.
Why'd you let him run past?
Because
What's the next roof?
look at my house, man. I got nothing.
I don't think
I was.
they see me.
I had to stim to get to this much house. You're not watching it.
No, I didn't get the flush. Just bum rush, Luke. You got, Doug, you got the shot, you know. Go for it.
Why have they all got helmets?
Mate, they're dressed fucking gay as well.
I know,
that?
man, like K-pop band.
It's over, Anakin.
Nice.
I have the high ground.
Flush him with the shotty. No! Oh.
Nice.
Quality flush, man. No, yeah, quality.
In the fucking bin, boys.
Quality, man. What the fuck just John is that Jason Bourne? What the fuck was that?
I'm gonna say that.
Dude,
moment, mate.
that yeet off the roof is outrageous. That's the most
that was-
outrageous.